In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Monday.com. This is a great feature that allows you to automate your workflow and ensure your tasks or boards are ready exactly when you need them. We'll start by heading over to Monday.com. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on the login button. After that, you have a couple of options. You can either sign in with Google or manually enter the email address associated with your Monday.com account. Choosing the Google option often provides a quicker and more seamless login experience. If you pick this route, just find and select the email address you want to use. Now that you're logged in, let's focus on setting up those recurring tasks. If you want your boards to be automatically created on a specific time frame, you'll want to use the Automate feature. Start by finding and clicking on the Automate button. Next, click on the Add Automation option. You'll then see a space that says when this happens. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and here you'll select every time period. This option is what ensures your tasks recur on a schedule that works for you. Once you select the time period option, you'll be able to specify exactly when you want your tasks to reoccur. Click on that setting and you can choose the precise time frame or schedule you need. For example, in this tutorial, we're going to choose every first of the month at 7 AM. This means that on the first of each month, your tasks or boards will automatically be created, ready for you to dive into. Next, let's configure what will happen once that time period is reached. Click on the Then space, which allows you to define the outcome of your automation. If you want a board to be duplicated every time, click on Duplicate Group. Then select Group to specify which group of tasks or boards you want to be duplicated. From there, you will be asked to choose which board you would like to duplicate. Select the one that best suits your needs. Finally, after confirming that everything looks good, click on the Create Automation button. Doing this finalizes the automation setup. With this configuration, the board you selected will now be automatically created on the first of every month. This recurring feature is perfect for ensuring consistent workflows without the hassle of manual intervention every month. It saves time and energy, letting you focus on getting the work done more effectively. That's it for today's tutorial. You now have a recurring task setup that will make your workflow on Monday.com more efficient than ever. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for further productivity tips and tricks.